in a forgotten corner of an abandoned industrial zone. Covered in rust, dust, and darkness, we discovered something unbelievable, a mysterious truck, left behind, decaying for years. But this wasn't just any truck. This belonged to the prototype. Yes, the same terrifying entity from Poppy Playtime. And today, we're going to fully restore it. Lorry discovery scene. As we walked deeper into the abandoned factory ruins, the air felt heavy, silent, almost haunted. Broken walls, collapsed ceilings, and old machinery scattered everywhere. Then suddenly, we saw it, a massive, rusted truck, hidden under layers of dust and debris. Its windows shattered, paint completely faded, and the body, eaten by rust. But something felt strange. This truck wasn't ordinary. It had unusual markings, wires hanging out, and mechanical modifications that didn't look human-made. It was like something else had been using it. Something dangerous. Magnifying glass inspection. We carefully approached the truck. The doors were jammed shut, covered in corrosion. Using tools, we forced them open. Inside was even more disturbing. Old cables, strange devices, and a control panel that looked advanced, but broken. The seats were torn apart, and the steering wheel was completely destroyed. But the most shocking thing, a strange mechanical arm piece, attached near the dashboard. Could this be connected to the prototype? We had to find out. Hammer and pick starting restoration. We decided to restore the truck, no matter how damaged it was. Step 1. Cleaning. We removed years of dirt, dust, and rust. Used high-pressure water, industrial cleaners, and heavy brushing. Slowly, the original structure started to appear, but the damage was severe. Nut and bolt dismantling. Next step. Complete disassembly. We removed rusted doors, broken engine parts, old wiring, destroyed tires. Every piece was carefully taken out. The engine was completely dead. Corroded pistons, broken belts, and oil turned into sludge. This truck had not moved for decades. Toolbox engine rebuild. We decided to rebuild the engine from scratch. New pistons, new crankshaft, new fuel system. But something strange happened. While removing parts, we found a hidden compartment. Inside, there were unknown mechanical components, not part of any normal truck. Advanced circuitry, almost like robotics. This confirmed it. This truck had been modified by the prototype itself. High-voltage electrical system. We removed all old wiring, installed a completely new electrical system. But we also studied the strange circuits we found. Some parts, we tried to restore instead of replacing. Because they weren't normal, they looked like AI-controlled systems, possibly connected to prototype's intelligence. Wheel frame and body restoration. The body was in terrible condition. We sanded off rust, repaired metal damage, welded broken parts, rebuilt the frame. Then came painting. We chose a dark industrial theme, black and red, to match the mysterious origin of the truck. Paint palette painting, layer by layer, primer, base coat, final finish. The truck started looking powerful again, like it was ready to return. But still, something felt off, almost like it was watching us. Chair interior restoration. We redesigned the interior. New seats, new dashboard, digital display system, reinforced steering. But we also reinstalled that strange mechanical arm piece, because we wanted to understand it. Battery final assembly. Everything came together. Engine installed, wiring completed, tires mounted, lights fixed. The truck was finally ready. But one final step remained. Starting it. Fire first start. We inserted the key, turned it slowly. Silence. Then, a sudden spark. The dashboard lights flickered. The engine struggled, then roared to life. But something unexpected happened. The strange circuits activated, and the mechanical arm moved on its own. Fearful, unexpected moment. The truck wasn't just alive. It was reacting, almost like it had consciousness. The lights flickered. The engine revved, without input. We stepped back. Was this safe, or had we just awakened something dangerous? Checkered flag final test drive. Despite the fear, we decided to test it. We drove the truck slowly. At first, everything seemed normal. Then suddenly, the truck accelerated on its own. The steering tightened, and the mechanical arm started moving again. This was no ordinary vehicle. Clapperboard outro. This wasn't just a restoration. This was a resurrection. The prototype's truck is back. And now, it might have a mind of its own. Should we keep it, or destroy it? You decide.